This is the programmer Al, and in this video I'm going to walk through an Edabit Python challenge called 2 makes 10. And they want us to create a function that takes two arguments and it returns true if one of the following, or I guess one of the three, is true. A is 10, B is 10, or if the sum of both of the numbers equals 10. So here there's a 10, so that equals true. Here 9, neither of them are the number 10, and 9 plus 9 doesn't equal 10, so that equals false. But this one is true because 1 plus 9 equals 10. The first time I went through this, I did not read about the sum equaling 10. I was like, why am I so stuck? So it helps to read all of the directions. So this is another one where you could do this in a myriad of ways. You could list each one by one, or you could shorten it and make this, I guess, sentence or line longer and include all the possible cases for that instance. So in this one, I'm going to just make one kind of large line for the A equal 10, B equal 10, and them together, the sum equaling 10. So as always, they give us the syntax and the setup for the Python definition, and they give us the name of the function as well as the arguments A and B. So we want to return true if, now here's where I also ran into problems. Like I said, when you go with different languages, you have to remember the syntax, and I always feel like I need to use parentheses, but no, not in Python, not right here. So if A equals 10, or B equals 10, or if A plus B equals 10, colon, then we want to return true. All of those cases will make and satisfy the requirements of this function. Else, return false. So that should pass all of the tests. What you could have done also is give each one of them their own lines. If A equals 10, else if B, or if B equals 10, if A plus B equals 10, and done return true there. But for brevity, I just included them all in one line. And so that is how I walked through 2 makes 10 an Edabit Python challenge.